This great 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 comes equipped with a responsive 4.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, an effortless transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. This four-door crew cab has supportive seats, only 44,463 miles, and its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with 4 ventilated disc brakes, both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors and complex surface lens, halogen bulb headlights. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.